I'm KD Transfiguracion from Asia Pacific Indigenous Youth Network. My Planet Positive 2020 is I'm hoping for a better world for every one of us, away from this capitalist world, because this makes us poorer, because the power is with this few people, and with regards to climate change, we the indigenous people are the most affected by this issue, but we are the people who are mostly been affected by this. In our community, we experience climate change by this. We experience frequent storms and typhoons coming to our place, and so our daily living has been affected because our food source is muchly affected by this. And so recently, just this October, we have experienced typhoon, and it left hundreds of indigenous people died because of landslides. Their houses have been buried, and so now we experience lack of food because most of these fields are also being affected by these landslides, and also of course our transportation. So I hope for this coming 2020 we will not be experiencing this worse scenes anymore.